Hey guys, this is Akanksha and welcome back to my channel. So a couple of days back I posted one story on my Instagram asking you guys to ask me question, and yeah, here is this session. I have never done a Q&A, exact Q&A before. I have done one assumption video, I think so long back, almost 2 years back. So yeah, I thought let's just do one now. I think so we are a family of almost 2.5k people, so it'll be fun to do it. So yeah, having said that, let's just jump into the video. I look a little decked up. I was shooting from one Instagram video, that's why there is so much makeup on my face. Usually I don't carry so much makeup for a video. So yeah, let's just start with the questions. So before getting into the main question, there are few frequently asked questions I wanted to answer. So the first is, guys, what's my age? I'm 25 years old. I am 9 Feb 95 born. What I do? So I'm a software engineer. Before I was a database administrator. I know it's too much technical, but I was a database administrator. I used to look into IBM DB2 UDB, SQL, Unix, and little bit of mainframe, COBOL and JCL I know. Right now I'm a Duck Creek developer. So yeah, and also I work for Accenture, guys. It's a service providing IT industry. Okay, next question is my weight. So before lockdown I was 56 kgs, but right now I am 58ish 0.5, kind of almost 59. So yeah, I gained 3 kgs in 3 months, which is very evident on my face. Agency I work with. So guys, Moda Monk is the agency which look after my work. So it's a very new collab, very new contract. So I haven't started doing anything as such with them. With them I have done one shoot for an in-house brand. I have posted a teaser also. You can go and check it out. It was a fun shoot. It was very creative. और teaser देख के ऐसा लग रहा है कि shoot का जो outcome होने वाला है, it's gonna be amazing. Also related to what I do, I also work with AdBuzz. It's a PR company. So I look for South and West Zone business. I don't get paid for them. This is just I wanted to do. I like doing things related to events and all of that stuff. And uske alawa I do YouTube. So yeah, but I'm not earning anything, though my channel is monetized, but still I'm waiting for it to reach a $100 threshold so that I can get my first paycheck. So yeah, those were the frequently asked questions. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि कोई मेरा बायोडेटा मांग रहा है शादी.com के लिए. उम्र भी होगी क्या, पता नहीं. So yeah, those were the frequently asked questions. Now let's just jump into the main questions. So Anvi-was asked me what all are the equipment you use while making a video, editing tools, light, camera, etc. So I started my YouTube channel with Canon 1300D. So that is my main DSLR I use for filming my video, like normal video. Then I use a tripod. I don't actually remember its name. I bought it from Chroma. And lighting I use natural light. Recently I bought this light, ring light, but अभी तक मुझे इसका फंडा समझ नहीं आ रहा है because it's too harsh on my face. I need to figure out the way to use it. So yeah, ring light, but I don't exactly use ring light. And what else? For voiceovers, guys, so I record everything on my phone, then I go and like overlap it on top of it. And if I'm doing a voiceover, like a video is running, like a makeup video, so something I'm doing and I'm giving a voiceover, so I normally record it in my phone and then I place it behind the video. And for my vlogging I use Canon G7X Mark II. So अभी मैं उसी में ही शूट कर रही हूँ और ये मेरी almost आंखों के अंदर जा रहे हैं. It's annoying, it's annoying, it's annoying. Guys, right now I'm in Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh, and it's so hot after coming back from Bangalore. Wherever you go, if it's not northeast and like those cold places, it's extremely hot. अभी कोई fan नहीं चल रहा है, कोई AC नहीं चल रहा है, कोई कूलर नहीं चल रहा है क्योंकि उसका noise कैमरे में रिकॉर्ड होता है and I don't like it. So moving on to the next question. So Vani Nitya asked, where is your hometown or maybe where are you from? So guys, basically I'm from Madhya Pradesh. Katni अगर सुना होगा तो it's a very small town in Madhya Pradesh. मेरा schooling छत्तीसगढ़ मध्य प्रदेश दोनों से हुआ था. उसके बाद मैंने अपना college complete किया था राजस्थान से बनस्थली University. For my work purpose, currently I'm placed in Bangalore, but my parents are settled in Bilaspur, which is in Chhattisgarh. PCR Raghu is asking how is work from home. So work from home is going well. Now it is well. So हुआ क्या था कि I was in a different project doing completely different kind of coding, but then in between lockdown my project got over, it got transitioned to a different company, then I jumped into a completely new technology. Then I moved into a completely new technology for few months, almost for 3 months. It was very hectic because obviously learning a new technology, then coping up with the work. Oh my god, so many bikes. Okay, so yeah, in between I switched from one technology to another technology. For almost 3 months it was a bit difficult for me to cope up with everything, because obviously you have to work as well, you have to learn as well, so it was a bit hectic. I used to work for almost 14 to 15 hours a day, but right now it's comfortable. So yeah, work from home, I believe office jana is anyways better. I'm not complaining because there are a lot of people who are not having jobs also, so I'm happy with having a job, doing work from home, but obviously I'll prefer going to the office, meeting my people and working there. Abhisheka is me missing office. So Abhisheka is in my project. So हम पहले भी same project में थे, हम अभी भी same project में हैं. So yes, I miss office. Moparna-Chandra is asking, when are you coming to Bhopal? Bhopal mein I'm not really sure if any of my relatives stays there, so it's really difficult to tell that if I'm coming to Bhopal or not. But yeah, for travel purpose or maybe just to roam around, I can come someday. And if I'll come, I'll pakka let you know, because I don't have anyone there, I believe. I don't think so. So Meerut-girl-Priyanka asks me, how many times you bunk from college and school? So school say I never bunked. Just count how many times I got interrupted. So from school, guys, there was no scope of bunking, so I never bunked from school. But from college, yes, so many times. I can count how many times I have been in my college. Because yeah, I was not that kind of kid जो college regularly जाता है, because of my curriculum and also because बहुत गर्मी होती थी classes में. Okay, so बच्चों, राजस्थान में मैंने पढ़ाई की है, ठीक है, तो it's okay. Deepa Kest asks me, did you won the fashion show? Couple of days back I posted few stories on my Instagram of my fashion videos. Guys, वो office का fashion show था. मैंने fashion show में officially कभी participate नहीं किया है. I want to, I am going to, but let's see. It's a top secret. Okay, it's Arushi Mathur asks me, what's your vision with regards to your YouTube channel and can we collaborate sometime soon? Oh, of course. मैंने आपको कितनी बार पिक करके बोला है कि प्लीज़ कोई वीडियो आइडियाज़ ढूंढ लो, आपने ढूंढे नहीं, ठीक है. अभी आप अपना पैर ठीक कर लो, फिर उसके बाद हम वीडियोस का कुछ सोचते हैं. एंड प्लीज़ बी डन विद दिस वीज़ा थिंग, वट एवर इज गोइंग ऑन इन योर लाइफ, देन वी कैन for sure we're gonna do a collab, and guys, it's coming up soon. So talking about my YouTube channel, guys, जब मैंने YouTube start किया था, the entire funda was to start YouTube channel is just for fun, क्योंकि obviously मेरे ऑफिस होते हैं और मेरे पास वीकेंड्स में ही बस टाइम होता है कुछ भी करने का. वीकेंड्स में और भी कई सारी चीज़ें होती हैं कि जैसे तुम्हें हफ्ते भर का राशन का सामान लाना है, तुम्हें कभी शॉपिंग करना है, कहीं घूमने जाना है, किसी फ्रेंड से मिलना है. सो वीकेंड इज़ दी ओनली टाइम आई हैव वेयर आई कैन फिनिश ऑल दीज वर्क. And it's a bit difficult for me to manage YouTube and my work together, to be honest. YouTube is something which you should do full time. So the thing was, when I started YouTube, as I said, it was just for fun. But when my channel got monetized this November, I freaked out and I'm like, okay, my channel is monetized now. I cleared those thresholds what were required for a channel to get monetized. I did that, so it means that my channel has some kind of potential and I can do that. And you know, since then I am not active on my YouTube channel that much, or else नहीं तो मैं weekly once तो मैं अभी भी post करती हूँ, but the entire idea was to post weekly twice. But that didn't happen, you know, like it's a bit difficult, I believe, to, you know, post twice with the amount of work I have. But obviously I'm trying to do my level best, और अगर हो पाता है then for sure I'm going to do that. So that's my vision, guys, to post more videos on my channel. And secondly, I want to perform in YouTube Fan Fest. So I really need to go and understand that how this entire Fan Fest thing work, because obviously you need to be very popular. But talking about dance and singing, guys, I know I can do that. I can perform on stage. This is what I've been doing since I was 3 years old, I think so. Yeah, so for me, I'm a पक्का stage kid. मुझे स्टेज से दूर करना पड़ता है, मैं कूद कूद के जाके डांस करने वाली और परफॉर्म करने वाली में से हूँ, तो आई डोंट हैव स्टेज फियर. सो आई रियली वांट टू परफॉर्म इन YouTube Fan Fest, and I wanted to go in all these summits YouTube organizes and all these events of YouTube. So yeah, this is something. And also I want to get graduate from YouTube program. So that are the few wishes I have related to YouTube. Okay, so moving on to the next question, guys. So Sky Boy ask me, how do you manage all things like work and YouTube? So it's a very good question, and to be honest it's very difficult. So weekdays में मंडे से लेकर के फ्राइडे तक कोई स्कोप नहीं है कुछ भी करने का, एंड सैटरडे संडे में ऑब्वियसली योर बॉडी समटाइम आस्क्स फॉर रेस्ट, जो नहीं हो पाता है. दैट्स वाई एक सिटिंग में मैं मल्टीपल वीडियो शूट कर लेती हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि कभी ना कभी ऐसा होगा कि वीकेंड में मेरे पास आगे आने के लिए पोस्ट नहीं होंगे, कुछ भी यूट्यूब में पोस्ट करने को वीडियोज़ नहीं होगा. सो in one sitting I try to finish at least 2 to 4 videos. So yeah, it's difficult guys. You need lot of discipline in your life. फिर अगर तुम बैंगलोर में हो तो झाड़ू पोछा कपड़े सब कुछ तुम्हें खुद करना है, खाना भी तुम्हें बनाना है. उसके बाद फिर जो डेली चोर्स होते हैं, जैसे वीकेंड्स में थोड़ा डीप क्लीनिंग मुझे करना होता है घर का, और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं जो संग में मैनेज. देन आई हैव माई शूट्स, तो मुझे वीकेंड्स में कभी बाहर जाना होता है. तो इसलिए मैं हमेशा अपने फोटोग्राफर्स को बोलती हूँ कि मुझे थोड़े टाइम पहले बताओ, मुझे मार्जिन दो, एटलीस्ट 2 वीक का मार्जिन दो, क्योंकि मुझे मेरे YouTube को प्रॉपरली रेडी करना पड़ेगा ताकि मैं पोस्ट रेडी रखूँ और तुरंत वो पोस्ट हो जाए. बेसिकली इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट आई हैव टू स्किप अ वीक और समथिंग. सो yeah, that is the thing. So that's why I say that it's a bit difficult for me to at least manage. I don't know how other people are managing, but if you really want to do good on YouTube and this is something you really want with your life, and also guys, my job pays me really well. मुझे पता है कि अगर मैं YouTube पे डिपेंड करूँगी it's gonna take a lot of time for me to like fix everything, and जितना मैं सैलरी मुझे अभी मिल रही है उतने मिलने के लिए बहुत टाइम लगेगा. तो ठीक है, दिस जॉब पेज मी रियली वेल, फाइनेंशियली मैं बहुत इंडिपेंडेंट हूँ. सो अगेन इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी. आई ट्राई टू मैनेज एवरीथिंग. मेरी आदत है 10 बोट में एक साथ पैर रख के सवारी करने की. दिस व्हाट आई हैव बीन डूइंग माई इंटायर लाइफ, इवन स्कूल, कॉलेज, माई वर्क, एवरीवेयर. सो मैं बहुत सारी चीज़ें एक साथ कर लेती हूँ. आई एम गुड विद टाइम मैनेजमेंट एंड आई हैव अ वेरी डिसिप्लिन्ड लाइफ, which I'm very proud of. That's why I'm able to manage my work and YouTube, or else it's very hectic. Sorry to say, but just being blunt and very honest, it's difficult. Oh, this girl, my girl, asked me, planning to leave job anytime soon? No. Like I said before, my job pays me really well and I'm in a very secured, like financially secured position right now. I'm fully independent. I don't ask for money to anyone or to my parents, so obviously there is no chance in future. I don't think that I'm ever going to leave my job, at least till this point I don't think so. So yeah, that's about it for the today's video guys. I hope you like it. So I'm planning to do this segment every week where I'll ask you guys to ask me question, or you can drop any question in any of my video and in any of my post, and if you want me to discuss on some topic on some day, so we can do a weekly sessions like that where I can answer all the questions. And so yeah, that's about it guys. I hope you like this video. Give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on social media. My profile would be popping on the screen or must be linked below in the description box. You can go and check it out, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Cheers.